young people are taking a little walk here. They are going to the pumping jack that I showed you a few times. I'm going directly closer at it. Right. I give you a little walk there. Oh. I have a I'm not getting it from the stationary road. I'm getting it from where I'm walking. Then, I think I have to watch out for copyrights. I'm sorry if you listen from this place. Background as well. So far I get nothing. So I'm just taking a walk. Right. So I can see it. That is what you will see from me. I think I just use the come close to it. I said I'll try and make a walk as if I can reach close to it. Have a rig in the back sound. I can see if I can do a video on it. Right. So this is the pumping jack. Right. As you can see, you see the yellow house right there where I live. So it's not far from me. So this is the pumping jack. There's some more people who are just trying to avoid. So they get the net. I will try to walk around it and see I can have different angle. That's why it's pumping whatever that is in it. Right, it's kind of muddy people. So I take my time and walk. Whatever it is pumping there are these things. I think I know it's a quality all in the trucks or something. Right? As you can see, it was a beautiful sunny day today, Saturday, the 20th. And spot people, so I just witness people. And I'm if you want to thing again, have a little pond here. It's a little bigger than that, I think. I think this is the money grass is covering it. And so again, I don't think what time I'm going. I haven't been in the back here a long time. Right. So I'll show you that. Check again. Right. Alright, I got a spot here. I could get it for a little while. So, I'm gonna be first time for the first time I've ever seen it so close. People aren't attacking me, so I stay in here long. I'm shifting again. Right, so I see that. Right, so you know, they're going to be a bit closer. how it is work. I don't want to go close to it. See the other house here, see there's my house where I live up around. I'm gonna give you the back of it now, or the front of it. This is the motor, whatever will be on it, right? This is the pumping jack. I'm gonna get to walk again. Going forward, people. Right. That is the place or something. Now, right, so people are going forward again. A little bushy, but the road edge clear. Not around there. So as I see, this is a walking distance away from my house. Coconut trees. Hi. I don't know if I can be able to come back and do a next video here. So I'll catch you in the. Hi, this is the. It's a little bushy, but this is the river that's behind our house. Where the really walking to the river and back. This is it. Have a cow there, right? So this is the river. I've seen it have a log in here, right, so that could be a reason why we can get flood, right? Have a cow eating some grass there, right? Go to the next side of the river if I can get it. Right, this is the next side of the river. Right. Okay. Go again. This is go again. Right. See some nice stuff here. Oh, the area. That's the San Fernando Hill. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to go a little closer, but I don't want to go too close. See that little mountains. I will try to see if I can zoom and get it. Alright, a closer spot. Right, that had this rig there. Oil rig. I think you want to do pumping. I have seen nobody here. I don't want to go closer to the people thing. So the first is I got to register that outhouse there for disposable portable toilet. Right. So I'm showing you some scenes at the place where they are come from. One of them if you get it. So some nice eatery as well. Some beautiful trees. I hear music coming, people, so I don't know if I will get, if you can pick it up from right here. If I see anyone, I'll ask them if I can go closer. I just said, video of the rig and the stuffs, right? And the equipment, I think that the tank that was on the truck, I believe. Right, people are going a little past the rig. I want to show you the hill in the back there. Wow. I don't know if I could catch it. They call that the San Fernando Hill, this little mountainy part there, and the other side I don't know if I can see it better. So I said I don't want to go close. Right, so like that. So this is where the rig is. I am sure how this is work, but they're not start up the work yet. So that's the rig. I am going closer to it, people. I'm sorry about that. I am going closer to it. So yeah, so shifting on the track again so I can get to the side of it. Right, I want to get a little small zoom on it. So that's the vehicle there, people. Yeah, let's see how to right now you can pick up, but we will. Right, so that's the rig and its equipment. I think they're going to drill for oil. Right, there were other location as well, the back. So just giving a little tour of it. It have a pumping jack here as well, but I'm not seeing it working. So this is the rig from the other side. I don't know what I end up going. This is the rig from the other side. That's the furthest I'm going, people. Right, so the rig from the other side. And this is the things they bring with it. Right. So a last view of it. And have a pond as well here, I think. I think it have one there too. Right. So the things, whatever these are. Right. An office or something. So people, I'm going back. Right, so I give you a final view where I think when I reach back by the bridge I'll put the camera back. So right people, I'm going back, so I'll see the back of me. Right. So see me, I'm going back. So if I haven't said at the beginning, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome from my beautiful twin island of Trinidad and Tobago. My name is Daryl Supersad. Right. As I said in my latest live stream what I did last night, I have to explain you might not always see me doing videos, but I said it wrong in the live, not in the live stream, in the latest short video. I said you might not see me uploading video in a while. I said it wrong. I didn't realize when I watched back the video, I didn't realize I was saying it wrong. What I wanted to say and what I meant to say was you might not see me uploading videos for a while because I don't have nothing to do. I don't remember I saw this rig passing around there. It had to slow down, so I realized it came in the back here because in the back here they do drilling and stuff, right? Right, so I zoom back. Fuck about the rubber, so let's see where go in. There's some rubbish people throw here. Why I don't know. Nobody cleaning it. Had the cover again. You know, focus on the cover. My hand painting my little people, so I might have to put the video just now. Right. See the cow. I see one is actually good. See that nice piece of land in the back here. Cow, Mr. Cow, Mrs. Cow. Right, river. I'm going back to the pumping jack. So when I reach back to the pumping jack, I was finished doing my video. Alright, people. I'll try to see when they start to work the rig if I could come and do a video. I'm not promising anything. I don't know if I will. Right. And so the final shot of the rig in a zoom. That is a smaller zoom. Right. Cow making noise, I don't know why. This one is better, right? So people are about to leave. So I'm catching a final shot of the rig. Sorry, the pumping jack. Right. Is it here, people? So thanks for watching, thanks for being a part of my YouTube channel. Peace and blessings, one love to all. Been a little view again while walking till I reach that road. There are some big concrete here where one or three, some potholes. Right, so everybody house there. So still giving a small walk till I walk out the road. I'm not straighten up here because it's switch off, stop the video, people. But now I have the camera facing down. Right, I don't have to turn again. Here one more. Right, so I got the jack there. I just see as well it's sunny. Look at it, nice. So beautiful and sunny places, people. Right, so I go back where I come from. Right, there I came in from. I'll do the video till I call it reach closer to the road, and that's the end of it. Right, we'll go back to fix the video. It'll take me a while because I have to put it to edit, then export it, then I have to convert it. Just take a while to convert, and then when you done convert, you have to upload it. Just take a while to upload as well. So yeah, see this video later on today. As I said in the video, right? So now is 12:39 p.m. on a Saturday the 28th of June 2025. Right, and get that one more flip. Right, so that is where I'm going. Again, so this is it, people. I'm out.